The In-Sight D900 is a standalone vision system running In-Sight ViDi software, designed specifically to run deep learning applications. This embedded solution easily solves applications too difficult to program with traditional rule-based machine vision tools, and provides reliable, fast, and consistent results not possible with human inspection. Applications are deployed on the In-Sight D900 smart camera without the need for a PC. Using the familiar and easy-to-use In-Sight spreadsheet interface, it helps simplify application development and factory integration, making deep learning technology accessible to non-programmers. The In-Sight D900 has both 2.3 and 5 megapixel options, allowing you to choose the right resolution for your application. Advanced image processing with HDR+ creates a more uniform image on a single capture, ensuring every detail is visible even under challenging lighting conditions. The In-Sight D900 is rugged. With an IP67 rated housing, it's able to withstand even the harshest factory environments. Field-changeable lighting and optics provide users with ultimate flexibility to customize the system for their application. Example-based deep learning allows users to automate inspections not feasible with standard rule-based machine vision. Applications like defect detection can be programmed using only good read images, drastically reducing the setup time needed to get the system up and running. And because the training models use multiple images, ViDi can handle variations in the targets, as well as changes in lighting and camera perspective. Character recognition can be easy to do with rule-based machine vision as long as the characters are clearly printed on plain backgrounds. But if characters are skewed, or if codes are imprinted on confusing and complicated backgrounds, standard vision can't solve the problem. OCR, especially on hard-to-read and obstructed codes, can be easily done with deep learning. In-Sight ViDi is preloaded with a font library right out of the box, and can be further refined on the factory floor. Manual inspection was once the only practical method for assembly verification. Parts can have too much variation, and frequent production line changes make it difficult to reprogram a vision system quickly. But because ViDi's neural network uses multiple images to create a working model for each component, it can handle part variation with ease. Plus, operators can use ViDi to create a component library and use that to create custom layouts right on the factory floor, making new line configurations quick and easy to do. Deep learning is changing what's possible in factory automation. The Cognex In-Sight D900 is making deep learning-enabled machine vision more accessible and easier to implement than ever before, enabling users to further improve quality, efficiency, and throughput in their facilities.